Welcome to AIRLOCK Videos. We are excited to announce a new feature for API security in the AIRLOCK WAF 7.1 release. The new security feature is based on OpenAPI specification, formerly known as Swagger. This new feature is part of the AIRLOCK WAF API Security Stack. The API Security Stack currently consists on the following features: Dynamic Value Endorsement, or short DIVE, and OpenAPI. In this video, we are having a look at the OpenAPI feature and how it works in a demo setup. Let's start with the basics. With the uprising of JSON and REST, we need to properly secure the APIs upfront. With OpenAPI, you can create schemas for your APIs, which allows you to verify JSON requests upfront against a specification. The schema is in JSON format and therefore can be easily specified by developers. As an example, it is possible to validate paths, parameters, data types, value ranges, and so on. So OpenAPI provides strong security for your APIs through whitelisting technology. But before we start with the demo, it is best to explain this feature with an animation. Here is how it works. On the left side, we have a mobile device with a financial or banking app. So if the user transfers money from the source to the destination account, the app sends a POST request with the JSON body. The request then gets processed by the AIRLOCK WAF. Since we have activated the OpenAPI security feature, the request gets validated against the OpenAPI specification, which is in itself a JSON structure. In this example, the specification only allows currencies in Swiss francs, US dollar, or euros. If the request fits the specification, it will be forwarded to the API application. Otherwise, the request is being blocked upfront and the validation error is being written into the log. Now let's see this feature in action. To demonstrate OpenAPI, we use a mock-up of a banking application. With this mock-up, we can send money in different currencies from a source account to a target account, as we have seen in the animation before. Let's make a valid money transfer. We choose a source account, then a specific amount, a currency, and destination of the money. We add a text. Here is the money. And send this to the account. Now we can see that the balance has been adapted and the record log on the bottom, we see that the transfer has been done. Now I will open up the developer tools in Firefox to tamper the POST request in order to change the JSON structure. So let's open up the developer tools. To do that, I have to click on a POST request and choose the Edit and Resend option. Now I can start to tamper the request body. I will change the currency to Hong Kong dollars and send the request. And send. As we can see, an error response has been sent by the AIRLOCK WAF. Let's check out why the request has been blocked. We switch to the Configuration Center and open up the log viewer Kibana. To find the OpenAPI violation messages, we can use the saved search filter OpenAPI. Kibana shows us now that there has been a blocked request with the attack type non-compliant API usage. If we have a look into the details of a blocked message, we see that the message is of a type string not in enum. It even tells us on which position the violation occurred. In this case, requestBody.currency. Now let's have a look into the API specification. This part of the specification shows us that the attribute currency is of type string and allows only the enumerated strings CHF, USD and EUR. This JSON file then can be uploaded into the AIRLOCK WAF configuration center under Application Firewall API Security. To the upload, the specification can then be assigned to an application mapping. In this case, I created a payment app mapping, and on the API Security tab, we can enforce API and choose the corresponding specification. Thanks a lot for your attention and for checking out this video. This is just the first step into the API security stack of AIRLOCK WAF. I hope I see you next time.